What if one simple upgrade can eliminate self-harm risks and reimagine serviceability, all at the same time?
Introducing Certolux MBH1, featuring SHIELDCare, a patented inset door frame technology. This patented one-piece door frame combines IK10 construction and is IP65 certified, dust-tight, and water-resistant, eliminating tamper and ligature risks. And maintenance, you ask? Most behavioral health luminaires rely on overlapping door frames. Certolux's MBH1 inset door frame allows room-side servicing for easy maintenance. No need to disrupt the plenum or remove or reapply the tamper-resistant sealant like with most overlapping door frames.
Backed by Leviton's century of experience,
our commitment goes beyond the installation. We're here where it counts. Choose safety, choose serviceability, choose Certolux MBH1, featuring SHIELDCare. Experience premium behavioral health lighting at its best.